Hello guys and welcome to today's market outlook session. So right now we are 27th of August 2025 and the price action currently is in this area as you can see. So what am I looking at today? So from Friday last week we had this big push and on Monday we had this day of consolidating. No, we didn't take any highs or we didn't take any lows of the days. So yesterday was an important day to see how the price would react. Are the buyers going to push the price higher, or are we going to find, a reversal from somewhere around here? So there are two conflicting ideas right now because after this big push, you see we came into this big daily fair value gap and we didn't even close at 50% of it. We just wicked into it. But at the same time, we've created this big fair value gap from the Friday push. And yesterday, we had a nice reaction. So if we just mark it out, I want to show you what happened on the lower time frames. So we jump down to the 1 hour. And right here, we can see we had a manipulation down to the fair value gap. And even though it was a bit choppy, we had a closure above these series of down close candles. So that makes this one big order block, right? So what do we want to see? We want to see a big push to the upside. And we had it yesterday at the PM session in New York. Even though we had this big push. So right now, if we are going to go higher, we need to see, either we've swept these lows right here and we want a closure above this red candle that swept these lows. Or now when London has opened, we want to see a sweep of this low. That means we will sweep the Asia low. And hopefully if we can get, a manipulation into this fair value gap right here, then we will start to look for signs of reversals. We want that London makes the low of the day. So right now we're just monitoring this fair value gap and then we jump down, to the 5 minute to see if we have a change in the state of delivery or maybe, and a shift in the trend, or we're looking for continuations. And that will only happen if we close above this hourly red candle right there. And that is because it will confirm this as an order block because it swept these lows and we closed above it. Then we start to look for continuation patterns here. So to summarize it, we're looking for continuations up here. We're looking for reversals for the day down here. And if we are going to invalidate the bias for today, the bullish bias, then we need a closure either under these series of up close candles, because that would confirm this whole thing as an order block, or we can also monitor this high and this high at the same time, because we want to see how the price will react when it sweeps, the high of the day, which is the Asia high. So either we get a nice reversal from up here and we can trade it to the downside, or we can trade up to Friday high and see if we can get a nice reversal. So right now we don't have a clear bias because of, where the price is at right now. And we have also the Nvidia earnings that's coming out tonight. So as soon as we get into a good position, we want to have a tight risk management. We want to take profits quickly because price can do anything today. As you may know, if you want to see everything live, what I'm doing at the moment, when I take a trade, where I put my stop, and how I manage the trade, you are more than welcome to join us at Tick Hunter Pro, and you will find the link in the description below. And with that being said, see you in the next video.